There are two ways to make black bean noodle sauce, paste or powder. The right one is a powder type. I used to use it. It has already all the spices, so just put water and that's it. Today I will cook with the left one, which is a paste type. Let's chop all the veggies. The jackfruit will replace the texture of the meat. Put veggie oil with green onions. Let's make green onion fragrant. With garlics and put 1 tablespoon of vegetable sauce. This sauce is the replace of oyster sauce. Instead of putting more oils, I put 2 tablespoons of water and stir fried all the vegetables. Let's prepare noodles. Just rinse it and remove all the water. For the 3 to 4 people, put all this paste, black bean paste, with 1 tablespoon of water and stir it 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, put 3 cups of water, 1 cup of maple syrup, cornstarch water, and all the vegetables. So yummy. Thanks for watching my channel today.